In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Apple Notes to Word. This process is essential for anyone looking to transfer their notes into a more versatile format. While Apple Notes does not allow direct exporting to Microsoft Word files on iPhone or iPad, there is a straightforward workaround. This method utilizes the Pages app, which is Apple's word processing software. By following these steps, you can easily convert your notes into a Word document format. First, you need to install the Pages app from the App Store if you do not already have it. The Pages app is free and offers a range of features for document creation. To install it, simply open the App Store on your device, tap on the Search tab at the bottom and type in Pages. Once you find the app, tap the Get button to download and install it. It's important to have this app because it will serve as the bridge between your Apple Notes and Microsoft Word. After the installation is complete, you can proceed to the next step. Now, open the Notes app and find the note you want to convert. This is where your content lives, and it's important to select the right note for conversion. Browse through your notes and tap to open the one you wish to export. Make sure it contains all the information you need, as this note will be transformed into a Word document. Having the correct note ready ensures that you won't miss anything crucial during the conversion process. Next, tap the Share button located at the top right corner of the screen. The Share button looks like a square with an arrow pointing up, and it is the gateway to sharing your content with other apps. Once you tap this button, you will see a menu with various sharing options. This step is vital because it allows you to open your note in a different app, which is necessary for the conversion process. From the Share menu, tap Open in Pages. This action will take your selected note and open it in the Pages app. The transition to Pages is seamless and quick. Once the note opens in Pages, you will be able to edit and format it if needed. This is beneficial because you can make any last-minute adjustments before exporting it to Word. After the note has been successfully opened in Pages, tap the More button, which is represented by 3 dots. This button is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Tapping it will reveal additional options that you can use to manage your document. It's crucial to navigate to this step as it leads you toward the export function that you need. Next, tap Export from the menu that appears. This option allows you to save your document in various formats. Choosing Export is a key step in ensuring that your note is converted into a Word document. You will see several format options, including PDF and Word, but for our purpose, we want to select Word. Now, choose Word from the list of export formats. This selection is important because it defines the type of file you will be creating. Once you tap this option, the Pages app prepares your note to be saved as a Microsoft Word document. Finally, select where you want to save or share the Word file. You can choose to save it to your device, email it to someone, or use cloud storage options like iCloud Drive. This step ensures that your converted document is easily accessible and securely stored. Remember, while this method is effective, some items may not convert perfectly. Drawings may not be editable in Word, and certain formats like scanned documents or PDFs may appear differently after export. However, following these steps will provide you with a functional Word document ready for use.